First and foremost, before we get started, I want to apologize for not having a video up on Friday. I've been a little under the weather, and also I really didn't do the Halloween video, but at the end of this video I'm going to show you some pictures of the daytime, what it looked like. But anyway, let's get to carry on. Today I'm making an Instant Pot stuffing Instant Pot stuffing mix meatloaf. And I'm also going to show you how to make brown gravy, because I had a bunch of people asking me whenever I did my giveaway. They wanted to see how to make gravies and stuff. So let's get started. First thing is, I've got a box of just stuffing mix, just cornbread stuffing mix. No play. You can use flavors. The herb season's really good. And put that in there. Then I have half a cup of milk. I want a couple of teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I don't even think you can see me because it's not looking at me. And I don't know where my videographer went. Let me go get a fork. Let me move it to where I think you can see me, because I don't think you can see me at all. Now what I'm trying to do is soften this up a little bit. I don't think you could see me where I was at. I was over here and that's pointing down there. I've got an egg lightly beaten.
We'll go back and do it again.
No, I told them.
I can see from the edge of the pot all the way over there.
Okay. Over here I've got 2 1/4 pounds of ground chuck. Now I don't know why it comes in 2 1/4 pounds. All you really need is 2 pounds, but we got an extra 1/4 pound here. I'm going to add some salt. And that's all to taste. Some pepper. I like a good little bit of pepper. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Excuse me. I've got some onions, little 2 bags of leftover onion that I'm going to add. And some bell pepper. You know, I buy these chopped bell pepper frozen. It's better because I don't use them very often. And the onion and salt and pepper and garlic powder is really according to your taste. Now I'm going to glove up just because I don't want meat underneath my fingernails. That's kind of gross. Our Halloween turnout was nothing like usual. I guess with the fear of COVID. We only had 40 last night. Last year, when my memories on Facebook came up, we had over 90. Oh, great. Get gloves on. Don't you just love it? My hands are damp. Yeah, last year we had over 90. And I did dress up as Cruella de Vil, but I didn't think that out well. That wig was itching and it was hot. That whole costume was entirely too hot. It didn't, and you know what? The kids didn't even know what. I asked for Dalmatians, they just looked at me like I was stupid. So, I'll think of something better next year. But I'm sorry I didn't shoot the video. I just wasn't feeling good last week. We ate out every day last week. I did not even cook at all. I think I made burgers one day, but those were pre-made burgers. And you want to mix this just until combined. But like I said before, I've never had a tough meatloaf. I don't know. Get it all mixed up good, because you do have that stuffing mix in there. Alright. Now, first off, you want to take about half a cup of water, and you want to make sure you have your rack in your Instant Pot. Take about half a cup of water and put in there. Down in the bottom. Take a piece of foil. You're going to make your own loaf pan. And I have never done this before, so we're going to see how this works out. But what you do after it's cooked, it's going to cook for 25 minutes, and then you're going to take it out and unwrap it, and leave it on the rack, and then put it in the underneath the broiler to brown it. I've never made the meatloaf with the stuffing mix. I have made Salisbury steak with the stuffing mix, and it's so good. Yeah, probably need to smush it down a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can get this down in there. I hope I got enough water in there. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm sorry. The last thing I want to get is a burn notice. As long as it doesn't cover it. Alright. See?
Tucked in.
God, here we go. What the hell? Okay. 25 minutes. Oh, God. 25 minutes, and then let it do a quick release. We'll bring you back when we get ready to take it out. No, don't forget to turn the vent on.
Yeah.
When we get ready to take it out and for the broiler, so we'll see you shortly. Alright guys, time to make some brown gravy. What I've got here is I've got a stick of butter, which is half a cup. And when you make gravy, you want to use equal amounts of flour. So I've got a half a cup of flour here. And I just want this to brown. Mix this up good. And you want to get the flour to brown a little bit. Also over here I have 2 cups of beef broth, which I use with my broth base. Just added 2 cups of water. Because I'm using that broth base, I'm not going to really add any salt to it. I'll taste it, but I am going to add some pepper to it. I had problems with my Instant Pot making my meatloaf. My seal wasn't in right. So I had to kind of start that over, but it didn't gain any pressure, so nothing really happened on that. So I got that straightened out. I had to add more water, of course, because it all disappeared. I'm not going to make y'all sit here and watch this. It should usually quick, but this is what we call a roux. So we're going to get this brown, but I'll bring you back when it's brown before I add the broth to it. Be right back. Alright, I got this about where I want it. Turn this down. Oh yeah. Of course I made a mess. And you add full 2 cups. And just let that marry together and you got yourself some brown gravy. Alright, we'll be back for the next part of the meatloaf in just a minute. Alright guys, this cooked, I got it straightened out. Put it rack and all in there. Hope it doesn't fall apart, it shouldn't. Alright, I got the broiler on and it's like about 6 inches from it. I'm going to broil it for about 5 minutes. And when you see us again, we're going to have everything ready. Okay guys, I'll let this sit about 5 minutes under the broiler. I've got some mashed potatoes. And these are garlic mashed potatoes. Some of my brown gravy. I'm going to let Tony put his gravy on. Look. And we got some field peas with snaps. I want to thank y'all for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is usually every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Share this out on your social media. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Alright guys, love you. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.